How to reset a kid smoke alarm. So to reset a kid smoke alarm, first is to press the test button. Locate the test button in your alarm and press and release the button. You don't need to hold it down. Confirm of reset. The alarm should go back to normal standby mode after pressing the test button. So once you do that, you can go ahead and reset your kid smoke alarm. And that is how you can easily reset a kid smoke alarm.